Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Temperatures remain high in KwaZulu-Natal for today thanks to berg winds in the province, while in the Western Cape it's going to be quite a bit cooler as a weak cold front just slips past the province. Dry and warm weather can be expected for the rest of this week, in particular for the northern and central interior. From our satellite loop, we can see where the cold front is located earlier the day, just to the southwest of the country, and that brought some light rain or drizzle to some parts of the peninsula and further southwards. Yesterday's very thick cirrus cloud has gradually thinned out overnight, although there is still some cloud cover in the area, while in the north of the country it's been a very clear start to Tuesday. For the remainder of today, it remains sunny, dry and warm in the north. A very hot day for some parts of KwaZulu-Natal under clear skies. Down in the south, we're still expecting some cloud cover, although clearance will be taking place in the Western Cape. And by tonight, cloud cover will be thickening along the wild coast of the Eastern Cape and the adjacent interior. And we could even see some light rain falling out of that. A look ahead to Wednesday, and it's going to be clear and warm once again for the northern parts of the country. Some cloud cover near the west coast, although temperatures will be recovering in the area, and it remains mainly clear in the Eastern Cape. KwaZulu-Natal will be a little bit cooler, although temperatures will once again reach the mid to upper 20s for many parts of the province. Now for the rest of today, just a little bit of light rain down in the southwest coastline. Things will be clearing out during the course of the afternoon over that area. No further rain by this evening, while later tonight we could see that little bit of light rain developing along the wild coast of the Eastern Cape and the adjacent interior, perhaps even towards the Umtata area. Move ahead now to the warnings for today, where the South African Weather Service has issued one warning for a high fire danger, which is expected over the central interior of the Eastern Cape. It remains warm and dry, and along with that, quite gusty in that region. And this is reflected on the precision wind forecast for today. There we can see over the Eastern Cape interior, Queenstown getting up to 40 kilometers per hour. Now for the maximum temperatures, and 33 degrees will be the high for Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay. Similar temperatures into the low-veld areas of Mpumalanga. Warm on the high-veld for Johannesburg, Bloemfontein and De Aar, all reaching 25, while it's going to be much cooler near the western parts of the country. Moving ahead to tomorrow morning, and we are expecting it to be cold once again for the Free State, not quite reaching freezing just yet for Bloemfontein and Bethlehem. Johannesburg dropping down to 9 degrees, while double digits are expected in the low-veld and all across the coastal areas of the country. Durban today gets to 31, lots of sunshine, northerly to northeasterly winds up to about 25 kilometers per hour, and those winds drop down overnight with mainly clear conditions and a minimum temperature of 18. Wednesday afternoon will be cooler over the KwaZulu-Natal province, partly cloudy in Durban and Richards Bay, maximum temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. And on Thursday, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy along the coastal areas of the country, sunshine for Gauteng with very little change in temperature. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your day.